final inspection before ANC.
It all starts here, in these massive mango orchards. Only the sun-ripened, premium mangoes are chosen.
Harvesting is done carefully to avoid damaging the fruit.
Baskets full of mango are loaded onto tractors.
From the farm, the journey to the factory begins.
Unloading usually happens within 24 hours of harvest.
Entering the processing line.
The first step is manual mango sorting. Moving up to the washing station.
A refreshing bath to remove dust and dirt. High-pressure jets clean every inch. Soft brushes scrub away any sticky residue. Sorting by size for efficient peeling. Removing the hard seed automatically.
Peels go to compost, pulp moves forward.
This is 100% natural mango puree.
The bottling line runs at lightning speed.
বোতলগুলো এয়ার ওয়াশ বা স্টেরিলাইজ করা হচ্ছে।
Filling 500 bottles per minute. Sealing the freshness instantly.
High-speed mango juice bottle labeling machine.
Printing expiration dates.
Ever wondered how your favorite mango juice is made?